What story can a single national emblem tell? Venezuela's coat of arms is more than a symbol of the nation. It brings together the country's history, its struggle for independence, and the values that have shaped its identity for generations. The shield is divided into 3 sections, each reflecting one of the colors of the national flag. In the red section stands a bundle of wheat ears. Their number represents Venezuela's states, while the harvest itself symbolizes national unity and the country's wealth. The yellow section displays historic weapons, including a sword, spear, bow, arrow, and machete, together with 2 national flags joined by a laurel wreath. Together, they honor the courage and victories achieved during the fight for independence. Across the blue section, a white horse runs freely, representing liberty, independence, and the enduring spirit of the Venezuelan people. Above the shield rest 2 overflowing cornucopias filled with tropical flowers and fruits, celebrating the nation's abundance and natural richness. Framing the emblem are an olive branch and a palm branch, timeless symbols of peace, victory, and glory. At the bottom, a ribbon in the colors of the national flag bears 2 historic dates: April 19, 1810, marking the beginning of Venezuela's independence movement, and February 20, 1859, marking the start of the Federal War. At the center appears the country's official name: Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela. Every detail of Venezuela's coat of arms tells part of a larger story, a story of freedom, perseverance, and a nation whose identity is reflected in every symbol.